Hello, welcome back, and thanks for joining me. It's Judy from Thistledew Creations, and today we're going to take a look through Audrey's journal for Sisterhood of the Traveling Journal in my Facebook group, Thistledew Creations. And I'm just going to do a flip through of it for now, and we'll work in it in another video. So it's looks like a purchase journal, and she's decorated the front with this beautiful gold trim that has little coins on it and some black pom-pom trim. And then she's put travel journal and a sticker with sort of some symbols of celestial symbols and a book. So let's see what's inside. So it just says Audrey on the inside. That's the only indication of whose journal it is. So I'm not sure. I think that's whose journal it is. And we've got pre-printed pages from the book. And then, oh, here we are. Oh, hi, dear creative. I'm so glad you're part of our Sisterhood group. I hope you'll have fun with the traveling journals. Feel free to use or take the goodies in this journal. Just don't forget to leave some or add new ones for the next person. Other than that, enjoy. So we've got kind of a spooky spider web theme here with the purple. Love that combo. And then I'm not sure who decorated this page, but it may be done by Audrey because it has the sign-in sheet. Let's see what else we've got here. Lots of stuff that's glued down. And then 546. I'm not sure if those numbers are special to you, Audrey. You can let us know. We've got some rickrack trim, some silver and some lime green that were tucked in there. And then, oh, I love this card. This is beautiful. I may have to take that and maybe use it. I do like that. I'm not going to start doing that yet. And then there's just a coin envelope. And then I hope this makes you smile. That would be something that you would put in Happy Mail usually. A couple of these little fashion women. This one, oh, I was going to say she doesn't have a head, but it looks like it's just bent. Her neck's very flexible. So 3 of those little ladies, and then little affirmation card, positive affirmation, and then the sign out sheet for who's had it. So Lynn had it, Lisa had it, and Cindy had it. Cindy sent it to me. And then this side, we've got another collage in the background with a pocket on the front. A couple more fashion ladies. Another smile. A couple of bits of, looks like Monopoly money. It's different than the Monopoly money that I've seen before. It's sort of shinier, but it does have the little houses on it, so it must be Monopoly. Maybe a more modern set than I've seen before. And then this really cool Mountains and I card. Sound vibe. And then this is all about Edmonton. Sort of just a bunch of different places to go in Edmonton, it looks like. Heritage Days, Edmonton Folk Festival, and Edmonton Ghost Tours. That's kind of cool. I always collect stuff like that when I travel somewhere. So I don't know which girl is from Edmonton. Maybe Lynn is. And this must be Lynn's page too because it isn't signed. And I thought at first that this was one of those ones where you pull, but it isn't. It's just flips. And you could write on the back if you were so inclined. And this, yeah, it's just clipped onto the page with a paper clip. And then there's a pocket in behind it and a pocket below it here with a little mini notebook inside with some colorful papers. I love this paper too. And another little notepad behind one of these cards here. I have these colored papers too, Lynn, or whoever's this is. Audrey. So yeah, it's not clear who did this page. We're supposed to sign them, ladies. Nice tag. A couple of those tags. They feel like scrapbook paper thickness. That's really pretty paper. I love those dark backgrounds. And then a bicycle against a stone wall. It seems sort of romantic, doesn't it? For some reason. And then this is Lisa. So is she the second one? So those must have been Lynn first, and then this is Lisa. And just like in the last book that I did the flip through, this must be Lisa's ATCs with the tassels. I just love them. Gives me ideas. And then a little floating pocket. I love this sort of iridescent paper here. Journaling card with some more pages in the pocket. And then this is a multi-pocket page. So we've got a pocket on the very front with a couple of little tags and journaling cards in it. And that's got that same kind of iridescent paper. And I love the way she put the washi tape just on an angle below and torn on the end. It just looks very kind of random. This is cute up here too. And then the first pocket has this really pretty peach and green tag with the really pretty ribbon at the top, sewn around the edge. Polka dots in the background is just adorable. And that goes in there, kind of has to stop halfway because of the ribbon, but that kind of looks neat too when it's sitting in there at an angle. And then we've got this paper with the rings, creating another pocket, and she's got a square journaling card. And I always like this sort of proportion for a journaling card, with a tab on it so that it's easier to get out of the pocket. And these tickets are neat. I haven't seen those before. The big zigzags around the edge and lots of writing spot on the back. Nice firm pages. And then this is still Lisa. So she's got book page in background with some floral stickers. Love those. And then this little booklet, Be the Reason That Someone Smiles Today, with a few different papers. You don't need a lot of papers for these little notebooks that you put into a journal because it creates quite a bit of bulk. So you try to keep them just thin. And the space that you've taken up here that isn't writable anymore, you've replaced it with some writable papers. And then we've got a triangle pocket here and a square pocket along the bottom. So in the triangle pocket, she's got these little cards and this little tag. This is beautiful. Love those. And then this probably is still Lisa. That same paper. I love that paper. A little journaling card and a little tag with one of the ladies on it. I might have to do one of those too. And then this little pocket up top has 2 layers and it's got some more little journaling cards in it. Another piece of that washi tape going across the corner. You always get little ideas from other people's spreads, right? And she even put a date stamp on it, with one, probably with one of those ones where you turn the dials until you get the date you want. And now this is Cindy's pages. And she used some washi up here that's coming loose. Let's see if just pressing it down will help. If not, I will give it a little glue stick. I'll check it again later. And we've got a corner pocket here with a bunch of stuff in it. So we've got a big tag at the back, remember, with some of the rickrack. Probably that was included in the book here. The background behind it is neat too. And then Stay Cozy. And then this one's quite cardstock. The floral on it. And then a little craft one that says hello. And then beautiful butterfly page. Actually, I bet you But that is something I sent Cindy in Happy Mail. I sent a bunch of these out of Edith Holden papers that I cut up, or die cuts that I cut out. Cindy, let me know if that's where you got that, because I know I cut a bunch of them and I did send them out in Happy Mail. That would be cool if that was where that came from. And then the rest of the journal is blank, ready for our decorations. There's a pocket in the back here. What's this got? Oh, it says Audrey. Oh, so it's a gift for Audrey from one of them. Feels like bling. And then Lynn, looks like Lynn left freebies and replacement items. That's a lot of stuff, Lynn. So what has Lynn put in here? She's got a little card. That's really cute. And someone used some of this in the book. That's really neat stuff. It looks like it's die cut or embossed foil paper. A bunch of these little cards. They're really cute. And then some napkins. I like working with napkins. Oh, I love the Aurora Borealis one. That might have to come home with me. Or maybe I'll just take a quarter of it so someone else can have some. And then some stickers. Embrace the Detours. More stickers and an embossed metallic page. Beauty and the Beast. Oh, Snow White. I was going to say Beauty and the Beast, but it's Snow White dancing in the sunlight. And then some scrapbook papers. Oh, that one's some of that pretty one. It amazes me with the number of scrapbook papers that I have that I'm still seeing some that I don't have in these books. And then I love these tie-dye, or they're not really tie-dye, they're more alcohol ink pattern. I call them tie-dye, but they're not really. And then these little ticket stickers are cute. So yeah, I may take some things out of there and maybe add some more things in. Oh, and then there's a bunch of lace in here too. Lace and ribbon. So that's fun. So today I'm going to try to do a spread in each book, maybe more than one. So join me again for the upcoming videos of that. For now, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Most of all, have a great day and happy crafting.